Well, you can also bake a batch of yummy granola right at home and customize it just the way you like it. Here's a homemade recipe from our partners at Better Homes and Gardens that can work in yogurt parfaits or in granola bars. And if you're getting really spicy, you can even use it in muffins.
To make this tasty breakfast treat, start by mixing 4 cups of regular rolled oats with your choice of nuts, like coconut shown here. Regular oats are sometimes called old-fashioned oats. Pour in a pre-made brown sugar mixture. It contains brown sugar, cooking oil or butter, honey or maple syrup, salt, and ground cinnamon. Mix together, then pour evenly onto a baking sheet. Spread out to cover the whole tray. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Stir in 1 cup of desired dried fruit, and your homemade granola will not only be delicious, but healthy too.
Well, to store that granola, it can last up to 1 week in an airtight storage container. You can also freeze it, and that should last you up to 3 months. For more great tips like these, just head on over to bhg.com.